Front row, move forward.
Down yonder in the Hono grass, Polynesian lady called a sassafras. A wiggle in her walk, a giggle in her talk, a funny way of putting on the class. First time I kissed her in Kapi'olani Park, bells started ringing and the sky turned dark. The Army and the Navy couldn't keep the people calm, they thought it was a hydrogen bomb. So tell all the neighborhood boys, I'm the one making all the noise. Cause a little honeybee knocked the heart out of me, and that honeybee was sassafras. Well, next time I kissed her in the swimming hole, kissed her in the water, and don't you know, steam from the water rose high as the sky, and the old swimming hole went dry. Took her to the pully when the moon was high, kissed her by the lights of the windward side. The moon fell down and the stars went wild, and the menehules all went smile. So tell all the neighborhood boys, I'm the one making all the noise. Cause the little honeybee knocked the heart out of me, and that honeybee was sassafras. Polynesian girl, sweetest little thing in the whole wide world. My heart does a flutter and my mind turns to butter every time she holds my hand. I'm very sorry I've got to go now. Me and my honey got to take a vow. Gonna get married, gonna raise a family, gonna raise him on honey and tea. So tell all the neighborhood boys, I'm the one making all the noise. Cause a little honeybee knocked the heart out of me, and that honeybee was sassafras. So tell all the Namakuli boys, I'm the one making all the noise.